Good morning, everyone. So today we are becoming a doctor. Anyone up for colonoscopy? Yeah, bend over, mate.
What?
Wide open. So the plan for today is the head gasket test kit arrived yesterday. I did buy it at the end because I just want to make sure. Obviously, no instruction, so I don't really know how to use it, but we're gonna improvise it like we always do. Yeah, we're gonna make it work. Should be dead easy. Probably fill it up to the level, and when it's fucked, it's gonna probably go up somehow. No idea. If nothing's gonna show on this one, we're gonna test it on the old Polo where definitely the head's fucked, so we're gonna see. So I got the camera, 25 quid, mate, when I was suspecting the piston rings to be stuck, but obviously we're not gonna use it for this now because it's all good, as you can see after the previous video. So this one we're gonna use on the Accord and the CRV. What I wanna do, I wanna look inside the DPF filter and see whether still stuff in there or somebody's been there already and removed all that shit. And the other thing is that stuff, so we're gonna use that to try and find the knocking noise, whether that comes from the top or bottom end. If that's the top, that's alright, that's probably the valves needs adjusting. If that's the bottom end, then we're gonna have to remove the bottom end and have a look from underneath whether we're gonna have to replace them bearings or not, and yeah, we're gonna see. First things first, let's find out how to install this stuff, because the adapters we have, they're for the bloody radiator. Yes, that should be fine. Yeah, nice and tight. Yeah. Then you open that. There's the level. You can see the level there. The good thing is plastic, so if we drop it, it shouldn't get fucked straight away. The next thing is our magic liquid. So what, do I just pour it into there? Because that says level. As I said, I have no idea what we're doing. I don't know whether I'm supposed to stick that on top or not. Should I? Yeah, fuck it, we're just gonna put it there. Close that up. And I guess we're gonna have the engine running now, which we might need the keys for. Hopefully that's not gonna fall out anywhere. Is it? It should be fine.
What?
There you go, CO2 leak detector. So if that goes over, that's gonna mean we're fucked, yeah?
That makes sense.
It runs nice. It's not really tapping that bad anymore, but it sounds like the top. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put our specialist equipment on and we're gonna try to find out. Well, can't really hear anything. Let me go underneath it. Oh shit. Yeah, well, can't hear anything anywhere. Why the fuck is all that liquid gone?
What?
What the fuck? Just fucking disappeared. Nice and tight. Why is that bubbling? That's the problem, it doesn't want to stay there. Oh, it's getting louder now. Yeah, that's the top. I'm gonna try and show you. I don't know if you're gonna pick that up. Now the bottom end is quiet, but why did all that liquid disappear in the first place?
Good question.
So bubbling. It'll be much easier if we had some sort of instruction for this shit. Yeah, we're gonna go with the old Polo and we're gonna see what's gonna happen there. The problem with that is, it doesn't want to stay in there. So, the question is whether that's gonna stay up. As I'm gonna try and start the engine. Because as you know, it won't rev by itself. Well, it won't idle by itself here. At least I can see it from here. It stinks of petrol inside as well.
What?
Oh, I fucking knew that's gonna happen. Fuck's sake. And what do we do now? Where the fuck does that go? Oh, all the way down there, mate. Not good. Yeah, that's the problem, because... Yeah, I know what we do. Maybe one of them will fit.
Yeah, right.
I know that's the bloody cup for the radiator. But as you can see, we don't have one of them over here. There's always something. We done, do we? Oh wait, get stuck in there. That's the problem, it comes out and then yeah, we give it a go.
Very nice.
Fucking useless shit, seriously. That was like fucking 47 quid. Fucking throw it like that, man. Yeah.
Genius.
Fuck that shit, do we still have the liquid in there? Yeah. So it's bubbling right away. Do we have any liquid coming up the top? Alright, let's go and check this out. So I don't want to have this engine running too long if it's fucked. You know, that's not ideal. What do we have over here now?
What?
Oh shit, turned yellow.
Magic.
Fucking stinks like you're burning rubber. Fuck, you know. I've no idea why the fuck do we have that there. Oh, don't tell me we have to have the engine running and do fucking that. That's where the CO2 goes. And you fucking pump it with that? No idea, fuck that shit. Don't care. Well, I do care, but if that's the case, that's what we're gonna do. Let's have fun and find out whether we have to bloody pump that shit or not. Whether that's gonna change anything anyway. Hopefully not. Hopefully the head gasket is alright. That's the wrong key. And I believe when you squeeze that, it helps to extract the fumes out of there, if there is any. Yeah, I think all the bubbles comes from me bloody moving this shit around. I don't know why the fuck is that sucking in the bloody liquid. The fucking liquid's gone already. Is that right or not? That's the fucking problem. When they don't give you an instruction, you don't know what to expect. Fucking disappeared. The other one turned blue. Yellow. It's like, what the fuck? What the fucking useless shit? You have to stay there. Don't you die. You motherfucker. Yeah, fuck that, we're just gonna leave that. It seems like it's alright. That's what we're gonna guess. We're not gonna fuck around with it anymore. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go over to the Arcode now and check the DPF filter. We've got our specialist tool to remove that motherfucker, and how did that work? So obviously we don't want to fuck anything up. There you go. Just... oh, don't tell me you're gonna be a different fucking size. Nope. There you go. And this way we're gonna be able to have a look inside. How do you undo this? Oh yeah, we don't need too much cable, do we? Where are you? Oh, go down there. Where the fuck are you stuck? Ah, so it's not gonna be that simple, is it? Should be though. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna see fuck all in there, man. Oh, I thought we were gonna be able to have a look inside this way. Seems like we're not. Because there's something right behind the filter, like a bloody... I don't know. But yeah, we're not gonna see anything in there. Look at that. There's something right behind there. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but no, you won't. You might be, I don't know. Yeah, it's not wide open right to the filter, so we can't really tell. That sucks. Oh well, it is what it is. Yeah, so at least we're not gonna even try and do that on the CRV.
Life.
So that's it for today. What do we know from today's video? Well, apparently the head gasket should be alright. We know the top end is knocking, not the bottom end. That's a good thing, because that's most likely the valves needs adjusting. We know we can't really check the DPF with a colonoscopy camera. As I said, if anyone up for a checkup, yeah, hit me with a text or something, and we're gonna make some arrangement. Yeah.
Sounds like fun.
As you can tell, fully professional. Yeah, we've got some fucking rubber gloves as well, so we're gonna fix you up, mate. Yeah, so I see you next week, and have a good one, guys.
What?